Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know it's your girl Samantha and I'm back with another video. So today in this video I'll be sharing my favorite DIY face mask that is perfect for achieving glowing and healthy looking skin. Well, today I will be talking about the benefits of honey and lemon. So why honey and lemon? Well, honey is natural and it also a humectant that locks in moisture, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's also antibacterial, which helps to combat acne and smooth irritated skin. For the lemon juice, on the other hand, it's a natural astringent that helps to tighten pores and reduce inflammation and brighten up your complexion. So I'll be showing you a little ingredient that you can mix together. That's 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and the olive oil is optional. If you have oily skin, I would not suggest you to use that on your skin, right? Then you're going to get your little bowl and get your little spoon, and you're going to mix together the two mixtures until it's smooth and look like a consistent paste. If you want to add the extra olive oil, is up to you, right? So now it's time to apply the mask. You get your brush, whether you use a brush or you use cotton pad, to spread a thin layer over your face, and make sure to avoid your eye area because you do not want this mixture to get in your eyes because it will burn it. Okay, all right, and you do not want any damage, right? So after, you're just going to sit back and relax and just stay for 10 to 15 minutes for it to just work, do its work, and then you rinse thoroughly. And then just listen, I'm going to put a disclaimer. So not everybody it will work for. So everyone have a different skin type. So what works for me may not work for you. It's up to you if you want to try. All right. So thank you so much for watching my channel, everyone. If you have tried the onion lemon mask, be sure to comment down below and tell me if it works for you or not. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more fun DIY beauty tutorials and tips. Thank you guys. Bye.